see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
pakita ko lang sa inyo, inutusan ko siya na kunin niya na yung mga sinampay. Lahat naman yung favorite mo. Ha? Hindi daw siya magkakita.
Open the old bag. Ano ba yung mga outfit?
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories. But I don't even know what's next. But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Million things I don't know what to do. Into dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Yes.
Need is only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people
Good morning, guys!
Good morning, guys. I'm 5 years old.
Happy birthday, Baba! Paggising niya, sabi niya sa akin, Good morning,
And
Mom!
Mom's gonna make me a Pluto.
Gusto niya akong gumawa ng puto. Paggising niya, Mom, look who's 5! Good job!
I get another.
Good morning, guys!
I can tell him. The North? Yeah, because in the envelope, he picked me up in dancing. You know where's my dancing on that ear? You know where's my dancing?
Sinasabihan nila. Sinasabihan ng boys. Sasabi ko ng boys na wag daw pumasok si Holly kasi magluto raw ako.
What if that's not it?
Ha?
What if that's not it?
What?
What if that's not it?
What do you mean that's not here?
That is going somewhere.
No, she's not fishing.
Dad.
Kasi sabi nila si Jan daw, si Daddy daw ang maghatid sa dancing ni Holly. Naglalambing siya sa daddy niya kasi gusto niya talaga pumunta sa dance lesson niya. Oh. Ang daddy niya naman ayaw. Gusto niya mag-rest muna siya kasi birthday niya.
S snake. Look, S.
So, are you taking her hand?
Dad, I don't know. Dad.
12:25 na, guys. Nakapaglinis na tayo ng bahay and nakapag-ayos na rin ako. And yung aking lip tattoo, hindi ko pa rin siya tinatanggal. Mamaya na lang. Hayaan lang muna natin siya dyan. And ililive ko yung link ng mga ginamit ko sa mukha. So ngayon, Holly, tingnan niyo si Holly. Nakabihis na rin si Holly. Come on, Baba. Gawa na raw kami ng puto. And yung nakita niyo yung vlog kagabi, yun nga kagabi, madaling araw na ako natulog dahil ginawa ko yung kanyang cake! Ayan yung suot ni birthday girl. Pakita ko sa inyo yung ating
What cake is it? What cake?
surprise! My simple cake for Holly girl. Ayan siya, guys. Ito yung ginawa natin kagabi.
Oh, surprises.
Yeah, when you cut this, you will see the surprise. So, yan yung aking
I have no idea what's inside.
nakuyapan. And yung aking minarinate.
Where's Queen TJ? And God, Mom's now gonna make Play-Doh.
Puto. Gagawa kayo ng puto. Ito yung aking minarinate.
For Play-Doh.
No, for later. So, ngayon,
And
gagawa
we're having Play-Doh.
puto.
And also,
Happy birthday, Baba! Can you fill this up, please?
I can't get it.
This one, Si Jan nasa boat.
Don't talk.
Sorry. Hindi siya nag-fishing. Kasi ang pangit.
Stop moving.
Sorry.
Don't talk.
Alright. Just this one. So you can do it like this.
I missed this one.
Hindi naman siya masakit, guys. Ayan. Let me see. One down. Okay, here.
I can do that.
This one. This one.
Nice.
Here.
Done.
Done. So, yan na yung ating plumping lip tattoo pa. So, okay.
Let's start making Play-Doh.
Puto. And si Jan who's gonna take you to dancing?
Daddy!
Daddy, kasi nga, nag-worry sila na hindi raw ako makakapagluto. Ginawa ko na nga kagabi yung cake niya, tapos yung minarinate ko na yung
And we're gonna
beef.
decorate the cake.
No, we're not, Baba. It's done. We're not gonna decorate the cake. Gusto niya, what? The tag?
It's showing me there.
Alright. We'll cut
That's
this
big
one.
tag.
Yeah, we'll cut this one. So, ginawa ko na yung cake kagabi instead ngayon. Kasi nga, alam ko, gusto niya pumunta ng dancing. Wala siyang pasok kasi, free day nila. Except sila kuya, yung sila Holly lang, yung Candy lang. So si kuya, nag-worry siya na baka hindi raw makapagluto kasi late na nga kami umuwi ni Holly, di ba? 6 o'clock na kami umuwi.
Let's
So yun,
get the Play-Doh.
so yun yung ginawa ko kagabi. Ginawa ko na yung cake niya, minarinate ko na yung dapat i-marinate. Para ngayon, magro-roast lang ako kasi magro-roast tayo guys ng...
Roast lamb.
No, it's beef. Ayan, nilabas ko na rin to kagabi and meron tayong pork. Mag-roast pork and roast lamb and roast veggies and pancet.
Yay, pancet.
Yeah,
And-
pancet and
mine,
puto and
and
spring
mine.
rolls.
But
Yan ang
Mom,
handa niya.
We need a
Yes.
table for my room.
Ha?
We need a long table for everyone.
Oh, for everyone. Oh, hindi pa namin sure kung makakapunta si Mel, pero manunod si Mel ng dancing niya. And si Mom and Dad, we are still waiting kung makakapunta sila. Kasi busy si Mom and si Dad, and si Auntie Mel busy din. So, tingnan natin kung sino ang darating mamaya. So, hindi pa namin alam kung sino ang darating mamaya.
Mama, remember I'm a little baby?
Yes.
And hello what?
Ha, saw-saw ka.
Yeah.
So, gawa muna tayo ng
Play-Doh.
puto.
I call
Madilim
it
bang,
Play-Doh.
madilim bang camera natin?
Play-Doh.
Pluto. Parang madilim, no?
Play-Doh. It's
Wait
not
lang.
berry.
Okay, here. There's the pork.
Guys, we're just getting colors. Oh, that's a...
Okay, I think that's it, Baba.
We
We
did.
got pink, purple, green, and
Mom, where's the peach?
peach. No, we're just gonna do the pink one and purple. Ito yung
I
ating
thought we had pink.
food coloring.
Okay.
Yeah, we
now,
do have
put
peach, but we're not gonna put it. All right.
carrots.
Flour, self-raising flour.
And now we just need these.
Where's my soap?
Mommy, we need the thingy.
Wait lang, Baba. I'm looking for the self-raising flour.
Mom, look. Look right here.
No, not down, Baba. Here. Sugar.
Sugar. We don't have sugar. Oh, there we are.
Excited siyang gumawa ng food. Matagal niya na yung
And
request
after we leave, I'm gonna have one before we leave.
before you leave. Alright. So now we need eggs. Nagpabili ako kay Jan ng eggs kasi kahagabi naubos ko na yung eggs nung gumawa ko
Mom,
ng cake.
we need the thing to put the Pluto in.
What the thing to put the Pluto in?
Mom,
Nasa Chona's Kitchen na guys, ang recipe ng ating puto. I-try nyo kasi the best tong puto. I'm telling you. Right, Baba? This is the best puto.
and Rylan loves Pluto.
Yeah, Rylan. Pinsan niya. Gustong gusto.
And Veronica likes Pluto.
Yes.
I love Pluto. They're the best Pluto.
The best Pluto.
Mom, we have to get the thingy. Thingy.
No, we're just gonna use this one, Baba. Here.
The
This one. This is for the
Pluto.
purple, for the pink, and then green.
I want the pink bowl.
Okay, mamaya. This is for later. Okay, gawa muna kayo ng puto, guys.
I'm gonna put the flour in.
Yeah, wait, baby. Excuse me.
Is it recording?
Yes, it is. And yung aking measuring cups na heart. Okay. Wait, baby ko. Hi, Daddy.
I saw you.
Show to Daddy your clothes. Show Daddy your dress. Come on, show Daddy your dress.
Why is it your birthday?
Okay, we're ready to make.
Did you say it?
Pluto.
Holly, you smell good.
That is not. Okay. 1 cup self-raising flour. Okay,
Try
Baba.
this. What's this?
No, this one.
Okay. I got something.
Here. Okay. No, it's alright, it's alright. Put it here. Here.
Inside.
Yes.
And then another scoop.
Yes. That's too much, Papa.
Oops, I spilled.
Yeah, you don't have to make it full.
Is that enough?
No.
Need more.
Okay, I'll do it.
I can do one. Ah!
Just little by little, please. Okay.
I got some in there.
It's alright, it's alright. So I think it's enough na, Baba.
No, I spilled.
Okay, it's alright. Here,
Add it in.
Yep.
Add in
Or-
the bowl.
yes.
Adding in the bowl. I'm gonna done it.
Okay, and then...
Sugar.
Yes.
This is the sugar.
No.
Now
Tatamaan ako ng ano mo,
I need
pakpak mo. Okay. That one, you can scoop that one. Use that one. Full, Baba, full.
Oh, okay. I can do it.
Ayaw niya kasi magpato. Ako na. Okay.
Ah, I can do that.
Okay. Okay, alright. Wait.
A bit more. Here.
No, I'll do it, Baba. Okay, excuse me. No. Didilaan niya na naman yung kanyang kamay. You're silly. Okay.
Okay. Add it in the bowl again.
Yes. Just put everything there. Alright. Done with this.
I'm gonna get this.
I have to melt,
Ooh, there's salt on
kailangan ko
it.
mag-melt ng butter.
Mom, there's salt.
Huh? That's not salt, that's sugar.
I'm making the sugar.
Don't lick this one, Baba, because we're gonna use this to stir the...
Yummy.
Don't lick it.
Okay.
I'm gonna use this one.
Do I stir it for a while?
Wait, because it's wet. I told you not to lick it. Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Do I mix it for a while?
Mm-hmm.
In the middle, I'm mixing the bowl.
Okay, put the gatas.
Gatas.
You can put the gatas.
I know how to do it because I'm careful.
Careful, Dosha.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now do I mix it again?
Yeah.
You
Just gonna
it.
get butter.
You gotta cut it. Is this how we actually make Pluto? Oh, and there's the egg card.
Yeah, you have to
Crack it.
crack the egg.
Crack the egg. You said crack the egg. That means that's a game. Crack the egg.
Yeah, crack the egg.
No?
Yeah.
No?
Oh, why we got two? Just one.
Now do we crack it now?
Yes, please.
Into there.
Yeah. Make sure no.
Shells. Would you like to see a shell?
It's alright, it's alright. Just. Okay. I got it.
Uh-oh, I feel a shell.
Yeah. No, it's not shell. Okay.
Aww.
Don't lick it, Baba.
Licky. Oh. Oh, shell on my toe.
Pam.
Um.
Okay, wait. Dito pa.
Now do I mix it?
Yeah, mix it.
Oh. Ooh.
Ang dali lang nitong
Oh, it
gawin.
smells good. Smell it, Mom.
Yeah. Sobrang dali. Okay. Put the butter.
There, butter.
Mix the butter first. Stir the butter first. Here. Okay, wait lang. Ako na. Can I borrow? Sorry. Slowly. You don't have to be aggressive. Just slowly. Okay, ako na.
Okay, you mix it fast.
Okay.
Okay, add it in.
Yeah, wait.
It's
Wait.
It's burning me.
It's not. Alright. Okay. Wipe your hands.
It wasn't on.
Careful with your dress.
I will.
Saan mo ito? Excuse me, baby.
It smells yummy now. And then we're gonna add the coloring.
Not yet. That's for later, Pababa.
A fully straw mix.
Huh? Okay. Can I borrow?
Yeah. Okay, I can do that.
Okay.
Strong mommy. Mom, I finished mixing.
Oh, you wait lang.
This butter cheese. Mom, why did you let this out?
That's for later. Okay.
It's finished.
So, strain ko lang to kasi tapos niya nang i-mix.
Ooh, it looks like cheese.
It's not cheese.
It looks like
It's a
cheese.
mixture of the puto
And I'm gonna mix it. Store it.
or butter.
Butter. Do a bit more.
Kung gusto niyong gumawa ng puto,
Can I mix it?
punta kayo sa Chona's Kitchen. Nandun
I'll be
yung full
careful
recipe
mixing
niya.
it. Put it down.
Okay.
I'm gonna
You have to be slowly, Baba, ha? Okay. Hold this one too.
Oh, nearly.
Nearly. Okay, there's more here.
Yay.
Siya lang talaga yung nag-strain nito. Okay, help mommy. Alright.
And Mom, after this, I'm gonna put this in.
Later pa, Baba.
And then my favorite part,
Alright.
the mixer.
Alam mo, dapat magpainit na ako ng tubig. Okay, mix that one.
Yay!
Strain that one. Wow, I'm doing this.
Oh, Savannah! Mommy, could you do the rest because my arm's a bit tired?
So you're done.
Mom, can I set up that?
No, because I'm gonna boil.
No, I said set it
No,
up.
not yet. Later for this one. Just do what you have to do.
What else are you looking for, Mom?
The steamer.
I go to the toilet, Mom.
Alright.
Whoa. You don't use this because that's sharp.
Yeah.
You'll hurt yourself. You don't want to hurt yourself, or else you might cut yourself and get a bruise. So you only just hold the handle, and that. Do you do at the back, Mom?
Hinihintay lang namin si Jan. Nagpabila ako ng ganito kasi eto, expired na siya last month. Kaya medyo ano na siya, parang may matigas na siya dyan. Kaya sabi ko, bilhan niya kami sa shop. And mag-chop na ako ng vegetables kasi mag-roast
Mom, I
veggies
think the
kami.
pillow is hot now.
Ha?
I think that's hot now.
What's that, Papa?
What is this? What is it?
Ha?
What is this?
For roast?
Whoa.
Roast. We're gonna roast. Then, potatoes. Yung aking maduming patatas. Ito kasi ang gustong-gusto ni Jan. Mayroon ng nabibiling malinis, pero si Jan gusto niya yung lasa nito. And, masarap talaga din talaga ito compared dun sa ugas na. Okay, ugasan ko lang to.
Whoa, the carrot nearly fell. Catch it. Stay here.
Tell them what you got for your birthday.
They already know.
Yeah, that's right. What you got from mommy?
Nothing.
My love. Hindi ko pa kasi binibigay sa kanya. My love, Baba. Is it alright? My heart? My hug? My kisses? Is that
That's your
alright?
surprise?
Is that alright?
Yeah, I loved your surprise.
Yeah. My love. Is that alright? That's my love. My gift for you is my love, okay? Okay?
Oh, you're
Okay.
spicy.
Okay?
Yeah. Oh, why are you spicy?
Say thank you for my love.
Thank
This
you
is
for
my
my
gift.
love.
This is my gift for you. Hug, 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 kiss.
Daddy can buy me a present.
Daddy? Gusto niya talaga meron siya. Oh, you wipe my... There's no lipstick, Baba. Look, there's no lipstick. Look. Hindi siya nagte-transfer eh. Kala niya. May lipstick din siya. This is tattoo, Baba. So you like my gift?
Yes.
What's my gift?
Huggies and kisses.
That's right. I love you so much. You're 5 na, Baba. I can't believe it.
Yeah.
You were just very tiny 5 years ago.
I was 4 years old.
No.
Yeah, I was 4 years old a long time when it wasn't my birthday.
A long time.
Can I invite Sophie? Because Dad said I can invite Sophie.
Yes. But I don't know what they're doing because Kayla, I think, still working until 9.
Oh no, because Sophie's still at school.
Yeah, and Sophie at school.
After she's school, could she come?
Yeah.
Bing, 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 bing. Mom, can I have a piece of carrot? Carrot. Could you cut it, please? Cut it, please.
Gusto niya yung carrots na hilaw.
Here, here.
Okay. I'll
Look.
peel it for you.
Give me all of the things.
Just half, Baba. Because
Oh, but I like all.
Yeah, just half. Ang tagal ni Daddy.
You should get 3 for me. You should get 1 more so I can have the rest of the carrots.
I'll give you a big one. There you
Thank
go.
you.
You're welcome.
Did you wash it?
Yes, I did.
Good.
Naririnig ko na si Johnny. Ready to go. Ayan na yung rosemary. Thank you. Yeah. Hugasan natin. Okay na. What's this? No, I don't need this one. Thank you.
Is that from
Ayan na yung
my
ating cheddar
candle?
cheese and yung rosemary
Now the
para sa
toothpicks.
ating roast
Put them
beef.
up there for the toothpicks.
And malaking bagay na binili ko to kasi tingnan nyo, nalalagyan ko siya ng mga vegetables and nalutuan natin siya ng cake kagabi.
Oh, that's yummy, Mommy. Mom, the kisses wasn't the surprise. The cake was a surprise.
Yes, and that cake.
Yeah.
Oh, that one.
It smells yummy. Hey, I didn't love that pellet. Are we gonna make my Pluto, Mom, or not? Are we gonna make the Pluto?
Yes, we
Yes, we
are.
got. Guys, I'll show you the color. I guess.
We're gonna
I
do
guess.
this first.
I think this one's green. We got green nail polish. Oh, it's not nail polish. It's colorful Pluto. I guess this is pink.
Okay, excuse me, baby. Okay. Okay, lalagyan natin siya sa oven.
I did a Pluto.
Yes, baby.
Mommy, you're Johnny.
Guys, may tag pa pala yung aking ano.
You need a
Short. May tag pa. For sale ka, te.
Yeah.
Okay. What's
Mom,
next?
Pluto.
Pluto. Pluto daw. Pluto.
I actually call it Pluto.
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 No, we're gonna put the gonna shred the cheese first. This stuff.
The cheese. Is it cold?
Mommy gonna wash. Yes, first.
Yeah, because oily. You don't want to touch oil.
It's not oily.
Why? Coronavirus.
Yes. Sa cheese, hindi ako
Mom,
nagme-measure.
can I hold this and stay still?
Mas marami, mas masarap. Ayan naman siya to. Parang nung gumagawa tayo ng po sa Chona's Kitchen, ito yung na-master mo ah. Na-master. Oh no. Ayan na siya guys. Nakain niya na yung cheese. Kung napanood nyo yung Chona's Kitchen na nagagawa kami ng puto, halos maubos niya rin ata yung cheese doon. Basta pag may cheese na nagluluto kayo sa Chona's Kitchen, lagi siyang ganyan. Yan.
Yummy.
Oops.
Yum. See my tummy.
Okay, that's enough na baby ko.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't?
Gusto niya siyang gumawa.
Is that enough?
Yes, okay, just put the things on. Put this one.
You there? See, I told you I didn't make a mess.
Yeah.
How do I do these ones? Because they don't
Finish
mess.
this one first. The
Okay.
pink one first.
That's enough?
Yep. Good.
Okay. Let's get... Oh, how about that one?
It's alright, that one. Maghiwan ako ng vegetables habang siya ay busy dyan. Okay, I'll cut the vegetables probably to that one. Okay?
Yeah, I'll just put it in so I can reach.
Okay. Oh, just careful. Alright. Okay, I need nandito yung aking nilagyan ng pinapay.
I got it!
Good job!
Ready again. Wait, no, blue. I didn't do blue for a while. So I need blue, 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 and my blue, blue, blue.
Memories, but I don't even know what's next. But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo.
Good girl! Siya lang talaga ang naglagay sa container.
I'm gonna finish this in no time.
At least, may katulong na ako dito sa kusina. Marunong na siya, oh. Tsaka hindi rin messy. Which is, I love it! Alright, I think that's alright now, Baba. Now, you can...
It is pretty full. It's not daddy.
It is.
But I need to finish all this pink.
Yeah. Here, you have to put it here.
And then do the green
Yeah,
after
guys,
this
so,
one's finished.
na ilagay niya ng maayos.
To me. I'm just bring it to you.
Say with a million things I can't erase. Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk.
by herself.
Is this good?
Yeah.
What are
Try it, hon.
they? What is it?
Potatoes. I have to put that in the, what you call this? Air fryer. Nice.
Can I have a red Coke too?
Yes. You're gonna use all that, Baba.
Good. 'Cause I can use all of it. If there was not enough for the purple, we should save it.
No, that one will be finished. By the time I think you finish there. So you can use that.
Not still like that.
Alright.
Pumpkin?
Yep.
Can I have one pumpkin?
No, that's raw, Baba.
Oh, it's rolled.
Almost.
Can I have carrot?
Huh?
Have carrot?
Yeah. Welcome, Sean. You're hungry?
I'm hungry. I mean, Mom, you know the fruit bars?
What food bars?
The red fruit bars?
Ah, yeah. What about it?
Quiz, I had one.
Yeah.
He had two.
Oh, Kuya Sal.
Yeah.
It's alright. Be careful there, Baba. Excuse me.
Now I'm gonna have two.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just
Gusto niyo na mag-try. Okay. I'm gonna show
See,
you.
it's not hot.
It was before. Ayan. Okay. Mmm. Sarap.
I took another one.
Did you? Sarap. Yummy.
I'm gonna let Dad have one.
Bigyan niyo si Daddy.
Dad, try one.
Meron tayong dinner rolls, yung binili natin
Don't
kahapon.
let me show it.
And spring rolls. Ready na rin yung ating spring rolls. That's too much, Baba. And eto pa yung aking mga
Oh, now I have to wait again.
ibang ni-recycle na mga
I have to wait again.
Coco Bella. Ayan. Matibay kasi siya. Lalo na pag nag-chop ka ng ma-oil na like crispy pata or nagbihis na siya kasi magda-dancing lesson pa rin siya kahit birthday niya.
Does that know where?
Kahit ayaw ng papa niya
Does
para
that
daw
know-
mag-rush siya. Ayaw niya
does-
naman eh. So,
does-
si daddy ang kasama niya. Yes?
Does Dad know where's dancing?
Yes. And, ayan, hindi niya natapos kasi alis na siya. Ano na guys, 3:30 na. Yung puto, ayan.
I can't do the portal.
It's alright. I'll continue it for you, Baba. Okay? And then when you come home, it's all done.
And I'm gonna have all of them right now when I come home. Holly,
Dito na si Zach.
Mia.
What's that? Is that your gift?
Yeah, I had nothing to make. I got nothing. I didn't have
You got nothing, Kuya, for Holly. It's alright.
I had no money.
Oh. Did you say thank you to Kuya Zach?
Thank you! I forgot to get some for my body. Here. Bye. Where is
Oh, you're going.
Who's coming for a party?
Auntie Mel. I think. Alis na sila. And
Thank
si
you.
Jan, nakaligo na. You're welcome. See you later, Baba.
Yeah. Bye. See you later.
Alright, see you, Baba.
See ya.
Love you. See you, Han.
Huh? Yeah.
Guys, nadala ni Jan yung mga balloons. Iso-surprise ko pa naman sana si Holly na mag-decorate na konti dito. Kaso nadala ni Jan. And si Kuya, siya, sabi niya sa akin, bili raw siya sa ano, sa shop. And ayan na siya, oh.
Mom, in the morning I went to the shop and I had a 2018 coin
Yeah?
and I gave it and then I got the same coin back.
Oh, same. Ayan, nakabili siya, oh.
I had to get 3 because they only had 2 in each.
Alright. What? Pink?
Yeah, and we can put purple too.
Alright. Kasi sabi
and he
ko,
got that too,
pink. Eh, sabi niya, sa isang pack, dalawa lang daw yung pink, kaya daw binili niya tatlo. May purple nang kasama, pero okay lang. Maganda yung nabili ko, di ba, sa Spotlight, yung pastel, yung ano niya, yung color. Tapos yung number 5 na ano, ay, number, ha? Okay, sila magpa-pump, okay. Kasi ako magluluto ako ng, ayan yung puto. Ayan yung puto, oh. Okay, malapit na yung puto din. Maglilinis ako dito, magluluto ko ng pansit, and, yep, and eto, nalagyan ko na siya ng seasoning niya. Ilalagay ko na rin ito sa oven. So, yung dalawa, tutulungan nila ako. Sila yung
I'm gonna have to use my mouth.
okay, magpa-pump. Thanks, boy.
No, we're just using my mouth.
No, you're gonna hurt your throat.
No, but Zach's using that.
Where's the other one? We have the other one, the red one.
That one's gone.
Oh. Okay, hayaan ko na muna sila dito.
Tell me who you see, 'cause I think